Hello, good day everyone. Today we will see how to use previous selection method in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Move and enter, select object, enter base point, move here, click here, enter. Okay, I want to move them again. It is difficult to reselect previous object. Okay, let's see the easy way to do it. Move and enter, select object, previous selection, P, enter, enter base point, click here. Okay, copy, CO, enter, select object, previous selection, P, enter, enter base point, copy here. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.